Hi, second grade mathematicians. Welcome back to math class. Today's a review day, so you have two learning targets. The first one is I can subtract 2-digit numbers from 3-digit numbers. The second one is I can subtract 3-digit numbers from 3-digit numbers. I have an equation all ready for us. 474 subtract 53. I already wrote my number line and I positioned some numbers on it, and I already took the first step. What is the first step? What did I do? Say it with me. Position the total. So I already positioned 474. Once you do that, you're done with it. Now I need to subtract 53. I'm going to decompose 53 by place value to help guide my thinking. The value of 5 tens is 50, and then we have our 3 ones. This tells me to jump back 50 and then jump back 3. Well, if I'm at 474, what is 474 subtract 50? Can you figure that out? Can we take that one big jump of 50? I know I'm subtracting 5 tens from 7 tens. What's 474 subtract 50? Say it with me. 424. Well, I know 424 is between 420 and the next 10, which is 430. What's this middle number? Say it. 425. So 424 must be about right here. I've positioned it. Now I'll draw my big jump and label it subtract 50. And I still have 3 more to jump back. What is 424 subtract 3? Say it. 421. So I'll position 421 right here. I'll draw my jump and I'll label it above subtract 3. Let's double check our work. 474 was positioned. Did we subtract 53? 50 plus 3 is 53. So our difference is 421. So that's your review of subtracting 2 digits from 3 digits. Let's now review subtracting 3 digits from 3 digits. And this time we'll do it on an empty number line. I have an equation ready. 339 subtract 125. First step, what is it? Say it with me. Position the total. I'll position 339. Once I've positioned it, I'm done with it. And now I'm going to decompose 125 by place value. The value of 100 is 100. 2 tens is, I hope you're saying it, 20, and then 5 ones. So that's what I have to jump back. If I'm at 339 and I want to subtract 100, what's 100 less than 339? Take 100 away. Say it. 239. So I'll position 239. I'll draw my jump and label it subtract 100. Now I need to subtract 20. You can take 2 jumps of 10 if you want to, or you can subtract 20. Take a jump of 20. Well, 239 subtract 20 would get me to what? I just need to take 2 tens away from 3 tens. So 239 subtract 20 would be, say it with me, 219. So I'll position 219. I'll draw my jump and I'll label it subtract 20. And now I just have to subtract 5. 219 subtract 5. I kind of think of what is 9 subtract 5. That helps me to know how many ones there will be. 219 subtract 5 equals what, boys and girls? Say it. 214. And that is subtract 5. Let's double check our work. I positioned 339. Did I subtract 125? Well, let's add up my jumps. 100 plus 20 is 120, plus 5 more is 125. The difference is 214. All right, I think we're looking good, boys and girls. I wanted to point out, you know that my favorite way of using a number line is the empty number line. What I like about the empty number line is I don't have to worry about the size of my jumps. If you see this jump of 5 and this jump of 20, it's the same distance as far as how big my jump looks. You just have a little more freedom. That's why I like a blank number line, but I know a lot of you like that number line with the numbers filled in, and both ways are correct. All right, I hope you have a good rest of the day and that you've enjoyed e-learning today.